Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. On this episode, I'll be giving you a recap of some of the stocks that I bought this week. Also, towards the end of the video, I have one big question I'd like to ask my audience and all my subscribers. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Romel, and on this channel we talk about all things related to finance, investing, and building wealth. We discuss mindsets, strategies, techniques, and resources that you can implement in your journey to build wealth. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We produce new content every Tuesday and Thursday. This week, I didn't have too much action in terms of buying stocks. For those of you that follow me, you know I'm very big into dollar cost averaging, which is buying stocks on a recurring basis, which is great for two things. One is that as the stocks go down, your cost basis goes down as well. As the stock prices go up, you're still buying. And although that increases your cost basis, this takes a lot of the emotion out of investing. I think one of the things about YouTube and stocks is that there's a big misconception that you have to buy the newest, greatest, hottest stock. Yes, there are great purchases and great timed purchases which can make you a lot of money. However, one of the biggest sayings on YouTube and in the general finance world and in stocks is that time in the market beats timing the market. And so although I do listen and I do watch a lot of these new channels and new information regarding stocks in terms of things like Neo, Workhorse, all the up and coming trends, I do look at them. However, they don't automatically make me go out and buy a stock. That's one of the biggest keys that all new investors have to keep in mind. Yes, you can follow these channels, but it doesn't necessarily mean you have to take action. You have to do your research and make the moves that make most sense to you. Try not to get super excited and super emotion driven when buying stocks. This week, two of the purchases I've made was the first is in my M1 Finance account. As you know, M1 Finance is a robo or pseudo robo type of brokerage, in the sense that you set your pie, your allocation of stocks, and you just deposit money and it automatically invests it for you. This week, I deposited $100 into my M1 Finance account. For those of you that don't know, I do monthly recaps. So towards the end of July, take a look at my channel and I'll give you a monthly recap of how my M1 Finance portfolio is doing. I show you all my stocks, I show you the current value, I show you how much market gains I've been seeing, also all the dividends I've been issued. The second stock that I bought was in my Robinhood account. I'll probably do a Robinhood portfolio review because I know I've been talking about Robinhood and I've showed you some of the stocks that I've bought, but I don't think I've actually showed you guys what's in my portfolio. If you do want to see it, let me know down below. Give me a like. I'd be interested to see what you guys think. And so for my Robinhood portfolio, I bought 3 stocks of AT&T, which cost me around, I think I bought it for around $30. So all in all, I put around $200 into the stock market this week. 100 with M1 Finance and about 90-ish with AT&T into my Robinhood account. Again, a lot of these weekly recaps is to show you that I am being consistent. I am dollar cost averaging. I do preach that a lot. And so I am, staying true to my word. Also, I think what's interesting is that over time, you'll start to see my account value go up. And it's not just going to be a, magical big surprise. Hopefully, if you've been following me, you see that these recurring purchases do add up in the end. For my M1 Finance account, I started my first video with around, I think, $300. Now the current account value is around $1,000. And so consistency is key. And, hopefully you guys are following along and have seen some of the market gains I have. All right, in the beginning of the video, I mentioned I had one big question to ask my audience and subscribers, and this is it. My question to you guys is, give me some questions that you guys want to ask me. I've been seeing some YouTube channels do a lot of Q&A, and I think it's really important to get to know the person behind the camera. One of the YouTube channels I follow actually mentioned that he does martial arts, which I can relate to a lot. He mentioned he's a professional fighter. While I am not a professional fighter, I am a Muay Thai enthusiast. And so one of the things that I'll tell you about myself is that other than finance, I do like martial arts. I've been doing Muay Thai for about 2 years, and it's become one of my passions. So let me know. Please comment in the comments down below. Let me know if you have any other questions and thoughts. I'm looking to engage with you guys a little bit more, and I think it's important to let the audience know who they're following. Anything you guys want, in terms of education, background, just so you guys know, I do have 2 degrees. None of them are in finance, but finance is, one of the things that I do like to do on my own time. It's one of the things I'm passionate about, and I think it's key because one of the biggest gaps in our education is financial literacy. It's not really until after I graduated and started to do my own research that I started getting educated on these things. While I did have courses such as accounting and finance in college, they weren't necessarily things that apply to things I talk about now. Speaking of that, on August 4th, I'm doing a podcast. I've got invited by Andrew Lopez podcast channel. He's another up-and-coming finance YouTuber in the space. Go take a look, tune in. He's a super cool guy. If you look at his videos, it's very informative as well. And yeah, so August 4th is when I'm going to be doing the interview. I'm not sure when he's going to air it, but stay tuned. I'll definitely let you guys know. I'll leave a link to the video once it gets aired on my channel as well. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video. I know it was super quick, but staying consistent. I'm investing in the market week after week. I'm showing you guys, and I'm showing my portfolio. So hopefully you guys do the same. Just take action. Don't follow the hype, but if you do believe in a stock, then I think dollar cost averaging is one of the best ways to implement an investing strategy. If you guys haven't yet, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Your support really goes a long way into helping this channel grow. Starting a YouTube channel talking about finance is a big task for a lot of people, and just trying to share my knowledge with everyone. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you're looking to connect with me on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, I'll leave links in the description down below as well. Feel free to say hi, like some of my pictures, follow me. I'm pretty good with following people back. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.